Very good music. 수원 수원.
Thank you. B1.
B1.
아, 뒤통에 머리가 좋다.
Going down. Very good music. Going down. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's a tree. That's another one. What? Another Schindler, 7,000. Oh, super fast. $30. No access. Very cool lanterns. Dylan. Oh, what is this? What the hell? Nice Schindler port. Coming in. Excuse me. Up or down? Yeah.
Car 1. Car 1. Car 1.
Very nice Schindler port. Schindler 7000 with port.
Car 1. Car 1.
Yeah, let's take a bit long. Hello? Oh, works. Under.
Car 3. Car 1.
Oh. Oh, there's a lift. Lên.
Nó còn tạm
Lên.
đi đá.
Lên.
Đi đá nó đi xuống chỗ thế này.
It's going up. What the heck?
Car 1. Car 1. Car 1.
Oh, very fast Schindler 7000 in the landmark 81 Vinpearl autograph high zone from 48 to the 77th floor. Wow, super fast.
Car 1.
Very nice Schindler elevators with board.
Car 7. Car 7.
I'm here again, going to the skyrise. Schindler heard the beeps, just like in the Schindler 7000s. Let's go to the skyrise. This is at 3rd floor.
Er hat erzählt, er besucht ganz viele Tower, also alle, die er kriegen kann. Also ein bisschen.
Ist wie heute mit der Eisenbahn.
Ja.
Ich will alle Eisenbahn fahren.
Ja.
Nee. Aber die hat ja nicht auch wieder S-Bahn-Video geschickt, ne? So ist dann auch gedacht, der ist so süß irgendwie, weil er.
Ja.
There's a lantern.
Vor allem ist es wie mit dem. Kennst du das?
Okay, let's get in.
Den was habe ich gesehen?
Hast du schon gesehen?
Let's go up to 81. 79 first.
Ja, alles veräppelt.
to 81.
So so-called Berlin S-Bahn.
81 slot.
We have to go by stairs to 81.
We need to go to the stairs instead.
Yes.
Look at that! Oh my gosh, it's going up very fast. The Schindler. Look at that! It's going super fast. What does it say when you go fast? It goes
Very fast.
so fast.
Ah, yeah, it's a Schindler, yes.
What does it say when you go up
Wenn
fast or when you go down the
musst
slide
du
very
ein bisschen
fast?
schlucken auch manchmal so.
Yeah, then it's like.
Very joyful.
Oder die Nase zumachen, so.
Oh my
Und dann ganz
gosh.
leicht durch die Nase.
Oh my gosh, so fast. 60, 70.
Als würde man ausatmen wollen durch die Nase. Aber du machst auch nicht in der hältst die Nase zu. Das ist dann für den Druckausgleich. Die Decompression.
79. Arrived. And
Yay.
Now the stairs.
Now let's use the stairs instead. Here we're at the top.
Achso, wir wollen jetzt eigentlich das wird ja in die Küche, oder? Ciao, hello.
Here's the 79th.
Yeah, so for the discount version.
Oh, ticket.
Verstanden.
Tickets.
Yeah, so for the discount.
Ah, discount machine.
Tickets.
Yeah, okay.
Yes. Asking souvenir discount version and souvenir.
Ja, soll ich wieder einstecken, oder?
Wie gibt es einen Discount?
Ja.
Look at that, the beautiful restaurant. Look at the top. Look at the beautiful. Touch the sky. Wow, many buildings. Wow, super tall, isn't it? Look at that, the super tall tower. I can see the Sunwall Tower. Huh. Can see the Park 6 Tower. Wow, super tall, isn't it? Wow, I also see the Vitexco Financial Tower. Look at that. High views. Super tall, isn't it? Let's use the stairs. Let's check another. Look, oh my goodness, the super tall tower. Okay, so these are the very tall, super tall tower, and we also have the staircase. Wow, so high. Look at that, super tall. The tallest. Ugh. Super tall. And the staircase. Look at that, super tall, super high. Look at that, and these are the towers.
Ja, aber nicht.
Beautiful penthouses. Super tall, isn't it? Look at that, it's a bit quite foggy clouds. Okay, so these are very nice sky views. And let me check back, be right back. So as I'm going up the stairs, wow, look, there are many beautiful views and the roads, the lakes in Saigon. Also many high-rise towers await and reach the top floor. Oh, look at that, the landmark plus the landmarks. Wow, super tall. Also that one, look at that. Okay, now let's heading up to the stairs. Let's heading up to the stairs. Heading to the 80th floor. 80th floor. Wow, a big Christmas tree. It's in the air. Look at that, a telescope. See the telescope? Wow, look at that. I can see the playground as well, the buildings. The landmark 81. Wow, super tall. Wow, super tall. Many high-rise buildings await me. Look at that. Wow. Many high-rise buildings. And as I see that so many high-rise, look at that. This is dangerous. Wow, super tall. Whoa, the highways. Wow, many buildings. Now I can go and look. This is the telescope. As I can see through there, I can see it. See all the views. Now let's go next. Let's go next. And we also have dining outside. We also have another lift here. And now we're going up next. Let's go up next. So look at that, there's the dining outside. And now let's climb aboard. Wow. Wow, many high-rise buildings. Look, establishing shot. Look, awaits me. Look at that, oh my goodness. So tall, wow. Super high and tall. Wow, very beautiful. We could also see at night. It will be much super beautiful. So finally, at the top floor, this is the best spot for sunset. Look at that, super tall. Look at that. Wow, I'm on the high views, super tall area. And also we could climb aboard right there. Oh, beware with the securities. We are landmark 81 floors high. So outside is where you can climb aboard. Okay, so I'm going to stop the recording a little bit. As I'm going to climb aboard, be right back. And many views. So let's climb aboard. Climbing aboard. Oh, help me please. Oh. Let's go up a little bit further. Further and further. Oh, look at that. It's made of floor tiles. Whoa, 81st floor. Oh my goodness, wow. Look at that. Many beautiful and high-rise sky views. Look at the plain floorings. Look at that, the glasses. Ah! I almost tripped over and fall down and crash. Wow, super tall sky view. Look at that, many high-rise buildings. And as I contoured it, look at that, many high-rise buildings. That looks really beautiful, isn't it? Also, many people where we can dine in. We can dine in at the 80th floor. Look at that, the road. And I can see all the other apartment towers where I just filmed it before. Look at that, oh my goodness. Also, we have more and more like this. Wow. And as I can reach the top, the sky. This is me right there. Wow, super tall. And look at the many views, and everyone does like it. Look at the mirrorized. As I see, these are many beautiful high-rise and sky-rise. High-rise buildings awaits and reached me to the top. So beware. So hold down the safety rail when going down the glass bridge. Okay, so I can go down gently. Gently, as I can go down. Oh. I'm really careful. Now I can get back downstairs. Okay, I want to pause it, so I'm going to, so security just going to take off. Okay, so here we are at the lift. You see, I'm on the 81st floor. Wow, this is super tall, kinda nice. Now let's get back down. Wow, I've reached for the stars. Reached at the sky. Many high-rise buildings. I'm pretty sure everyone does like it. When I am at the landmark 81 building, the tallest building in Southeast Asia, in Vinpearl's Central Park. So did a lift tour of shopping mall, the apartment, and the Vinpearl luxury hotel until reached the high rise to the sky. And now I'm doing the landmark 81 Skyview as the 4th lift tour and did the review. So I'm at the lift, at the elevator, Schindler 7000. Here we go, the 81st floor. Here we go. Let's get down. So currently at the 81st floor. Let's get back to 79. That's 79. 65, it doesn't work. This is 79. So 81 cannot go up because it's locked. This is 79th floor. And now I'm going to go to, so now let's get, look, 79th floor. And let's try to check out the toys or sculptures. I may have to buy something. I'm going to buy the landmark 81 sculptures. I have to pause it so I can see it to buy it. Be right back a bit. So okay, so I'm at the lift here. So I'm going to press down. Okay, so I'm on the 79th floor. So just see the counter at the souvenir. So the cashier said that so I won't be able to buy it until getting the cash or card to pay. So tomorrow my dad are going to buy it for me. I want to explain for that and to get the 2 items at the souvenir. So I'm currently at the lift right now. I'm currently at the lift. This took a bit long to load. So just get back down from the 81st floor. So I need to wait. Yeah, it's a bit long, isn't it? Here it is. There's the lift. Oh. Okay, let's get back down to basement 1. It's locked. 1, nope. 3 works. It's going up. Oh, it's going up to 81. This is the 81st floor reached. Let's go back down to 3. Now it's going down. Very shiny. Oh, going down. Now let's get all the way back down. Look at the LG TV lights. I'm going down faster and faster. Fast and fast enough. Super fast and super tall. Wow, oh my gosh. Very nice Schindler 7000 elevators. All the way going down. And stopped at 3rd floor. So let's way out. So let's exit to here. So the very cool Schindler lifts in the landmark 81. So that's it, and I hope you enjoying the new year for in the 2026.